Welcome to Learn and Fun with the Mall. Hello friends. Today, we're going to create a beautiful drawing of a cute princess. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll start by sketching the outline of our princess. She'll have a lovely face, with big, expressive eyes and a sweet smile. Now, let's focus on her dress. We'll draw a flowing, full-length gown. Next, we'll move on to her sandals. They'll be simple and elegant, with a strap that wraps around her ankle. Adding a touch of elegance. Finally, we'll add some details to her dress, to give it a more polished look. And there you have it. It's coloring time. Coloring her face, hands and legs with skin color. Our princess is going to wear a pink or purple dress. Pink color. Purple color. Yellow color on her hair. Our princess is all dressed up, with a lovely pink or purple colored dress, with a pair of sandals to complete her look. Ready to take on the world. I hope you enjoyed this creative journey with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more artistic adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!